Hello, my dear students. How are you? Welcome in English class. Today, from the book First Flight, it is the first poem, Dust of Snow. Dust of Snow, the poem is composed by Robert Frost. Okay? Firstly, we will read the poem, Dust of Snow. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. Okay? Difficult word meaning means hemlock. Hemlock means a poisonous tree. Hemlock means a poisonous tree, and second word is given here, rude. I have circled it, RUED. Rude means regret, pastawa. Okay, paschatap. Firstly, I will discuss the background of this poem. Okay, the poet was not in good mood. He was upset, and he was standing in means a forest, a wood there, and under the hemlock tree, and there a crow which is sitting on a hemlock tree has shaken his body in the manner that the snow has fallen on the writer. This incident has affected his heart and his mood become change. Okay, his mood become change in this way, means he has saved his time, his bad moments he had means removed from there, and he become saved wasting his time and it in regret whatever. सो मीन्स राइटर का मूड अच्छा नहीं था, वो किसी बात को लेकर बहुत चिंतित थे. ओके, तभी वो एक जंगल में पेड़ के नीचे खड़े थे, हेमलॉक ट्री के. द वे ए क्रो शूक डाउन ऑन मी, जस्ट देन ए क्रो हैड केम एंड शूक डाउन मीन्स उसने अपनी बॉडी को ऐसा हिलाया, क्या हुआ, द डस्ट ऑफ स्नो मीन्स द ट्री वॉज कवर बाय द स्नो and that snow from a hemlock tree means fall down on the head of writer. Okay, उस कौवे ने इस तरह से हिलाया उस हेमलॉक ट्री को कि उस पे से जो बर्फ़ का पार्टिकल था वो राइटर के हेड पे आके गिरा. और जब राइटर के हेड पे आके वो डस्ट पार्टिकल, जो स्नो पार्टिकल था, जब गिरता है तो पोएट का मूड जो है वो चेंज हो जाता है. ओके, हैज़ गिवन माई हार्ट ए चेंज ऑफ मूड बाय दिस इंसिडेंट ऑफ द क्रो, हिज माइंड एंड हार्ट बिकम चेंज मीन्स पोएट बिकम फ्रेश and saved some part of a day I had rued. In this way, the last two lines poet here want to express that in this way, a little incident, a little work done by a crow had saved my part of day. Otherwise, his whole day may be passed in bad thinking and that bad mood. Okay? By this incident, poet's mind become change, and this incident of the crow had saved the part of the day, and he also saved himself by the regretness. ओके, जिससे कि वो पछताते पूरे दिन कि मेरा पूरा दिन जो है ऑफ मूड में चला गया. ऐसा होने से पोएट बच गए. ओके, सो in this way we can say that the moral of the poem is that means any little incident of the day can change the means sight and way of life. Okay, means any little incident have their importance in our life. Okay, thanks students. You have to read the poem and write the summary of the poem. Okay, thanks. Okay, thank you class. Thanks students. Read it.